silver origin. It's a beautiful pool area where our guests will be able to lounge or sit or have a dip in the beautiful whirlpool pool that will be overlooking not containers of the port of Rotterdam, but the beautiful islands of the Galapagos as soon as she arrives in place. And here we are in the Grill of Silver Origin. As soon as the furniture will arrive, this will be a spectacular place where the whole ship will be able to have dinner at the same time with the hot rocks, or of course, beautiful lunches. What's incredible about this space is that it will be customizable for the temperature, which, as we know, is very fickle in the Galapagos. So we can close all the awnings or we can open them up to be able to always make sure you are at the right temperature in the equator. This is the coziest lounge of the whole ship. It's the observation lounge, a signature lounge for Silversea. Even if this is particularly special, thanks to the 260-degree views that you can enjoy, and of course, this beautiful furniture. Who wouldn't want to have this incredible Italian leather at home? Thank you so much for having taken time out of your busy schedule to visit this beautiful baby ship with me. I just look forward to seeing you all on board of this beauty in the incredible Galapagos Islands.